1985 F250 XLT Lariat with a 6.9 IDI diesel. Body's straight. The bed's got some rusting issues just on the fenders. Front right quarter panel's good. Hood is good. Bumper's good. Grill is good. Tires and rims decent. I've got the hubcaps for all 4 rims. Doors are good. Glass is good. Pretty decent. Bench is good. Nice and firm, actually. Barely used. Maybe 60,000 on the truck. I actually don't know. I'll have to go look at the title. Good title. Radio works. All the heat, all that blows. I have actually driven this truck. It has ran, does run 2 fuel tanks. Bed's not perfect. It was a truck at some point in its life. Tailgate though. If it'll stay up for a second. Good tailgate, good bumper.